I just want you to know that there is a summer sale going on right now. So the prices you see will last till the end of the sale and will increase afterwards. So this is the best time to get your Hostinger hosting. Looking to host your website online, then try Hostinger. But before you buy at the regular price, make sure to use my referral link in the description below. When you click my referral link, you'll immediately see the price drop across all the web hosting plans, giving you an extra 20% discount automatically. For example, if you choose the premium plan for 48 months, you'll see the 20% referral discount applied right there in your order summary, bringing your total cost down. Prefer a different option? The same extra discount applies if you go with the ultimate plan, saving you even more on a long-term package. And it's flexible. If you don't want to commit to 48 months, you can switch to a 12-month period, and the 20% referral discount still actively applies to your checkout total. Use the link and start saving today.